Did you know that only 9% of Americans achieve true financial independence before retirement? Imagine waking up every day knowing you never have to work for money again. Financial independence isn't just for the ultra rich, it's possible for you. Let's break it down. Welcome back to Simply Money. Financial independence means your money works for you, not the other way around. It's the ultimate freedom, whether you want to retire early, travel, or spend more time with family. But why do so few people achieve it? And more importantly, how can you? Here's why most people struggle. Most people never reach financial independence because they face these major roadblocks. 1, they're living paycheck to paycheck. 2, they have crippling debt that keeps them trapped. 3, they lack financial literacy, not knowing how to invest or grow their money. 4, relying too much on a single income source. But the good news is there's a proven path to financial independence, and I'll show you how. Let's break this down. First thing you need to do is master your budget. Track expenses, cut unnecessary costs, and prioritize savings. There's no two ways about it. You're not going to become financially independent if you don't get control and manage your money. Managing your money requires a budget. A budget should not be a dirty word. Budgeting has become a 4-letter word in our society, and it shouldn't be that way. Budgeting is a liberating step in your financial freedom journey. We have lots of videos on the channel about how to budget, why budgeting is so important, and steps you can take on any income. Check out some of the videos on the channel. Just search on the channel bar and it'll bring up different videos based on the subject, whether it's budgeting, income sources, retirement, investing. Check out some of those resources we have. Second thing you need to do after budgeting is set a plan to destroy your debt. Focus on high interest, debt first, then snowball your way to freedom. Getting out of debt is so essential. I know a lot of people, I watch several channels of other people who've retired on modest incomes. There's a great lady, a former teacher. Her channel name is Happy on Monday. She talks about retirement on less than $500,000. There's another one, Dwayne, retire early on $500K. He does a great job showing month to month how he's managing to retire on a lower retirement than most people anticipate or think they need to have. And part of that is by controlling and eliminating debt. Third thing is you need to invest wisely. Use index funds, ETFs, and dividend stocks like SCHD to build wealth. You can't just save your way to financial freedom because you're not going to keep up and outpace inflation. You need to be investing, but you need to do it wisely. Don't gamble. Don't try to hit it rich. Don't try to shortcut the system. Invest steadily, consistently, dollar cost averaging on a regular basis for the long term. This isn't a short road. It takes time. Be patient. The stock market transfers wealth from the impatient to the patient. Those who are willing to outlast downturns, those who are willing to stick it out, those who are willing to watch the downs in order to gain the ups, they are the ones that gain the wealth because they are patient. You need to be able to ride out 2 and 3 year downturns. It happens. But be patient and invest wisely. Fourth, you need to increase your income. Maybe start a side hustle, build passive income, level up your career. A lot of people go in their career and they just kind of ride it out. Look for ways in your career of earning a certification or a new skill set that would help you gain not only a promotion, but financial increases, or the power to leverage to maybe go to another company in the same field that offers to pay more, that has better benefits, maybe even better time off, where you can have a better work-life balance and make more money because your skill set becomes invaluable. You need to invest in your number one asset, and that's you. And you also need to live below your means. This kind of goes hand in hand with budgeting and eliminating debt. But avoid lifestyle inflation and keep expenses low even as income grows. As you increase your skill set and you gain that pay raise, as you go and get a side hustle and you increase the income, don't increase your output. Use that extra money for investing to build your way toward financial freedom. Let's look at a success story. John, a regular 9-to-5 worker, reached financial independence at age 50. He saved 40% of his income by reducing unnecessary expenses. He invested aggressively in index funds and high-yield dividend stocks. He built a side income from a small online business, and he paid off all his debt early, avoiding interest traps, which allowed him to put that money to where he was investing 40% of his income. And that's how he achieved financial independence early. See, financial independence isn't just a dream, it's a plan. By budgeting, investing, and staying disciplined, you can create a lasting financial security. And the earlier you start, the sooner you achieve financial freedom. But it doesn't just happen. You don't just wake up one morning at 60 and say, oh, I'm financially independent. It takes discipline. It takes a plan. Set goals. Make a plan and live out that plan. Are you on your path to financial independence? Drop a comment below. Let us know how you're progressing. You don't have to tell us how much you have or how much you plan on having. Maybe tell us, I'm 50% of the way to my financial independence. I'm 20%. I haven't even started. I'm almost there. Where are you on your journey? Share with the community down below in the comments. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell so you're notified of future videos, and we'll see you next time on Simply Money.